Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. Boleh dengar ke suara saya? Hello? Okey, boleh dengar suara saya? Okay. So we proceed with our lesson next. Last week is regarding accounting equation. So I already give you exercise, right? Okay, so semua dah buat ke belum soalan? Dah try buat? Ada yang tak buat? Oh, 3 soalan. Dari keseluruhan, 3 soalan je. Tak tahu Okay, never mind. Let's discuss. Siti Anissa, Nurman Syarah, Syamin, Atika, semua buat? Try? Ada try tak? Okay. Alright. So, very good. So, let's look at the question and then we discuss exercise regarding equation, accounting equation. Okay, number 1 kita dah buat kan? Question number 1. Ke belum? Saya bagi soalan ni kan, kelas. Saya ada share, you ada nampak tak? Yang saya share. Betul ke soalan ni? Yang dekat sini. Tahu tak? Nampak tak? Betul lain? Okey, betul kan soalan? Betul kan soalan ni? Saya tak ingat. Ini, okey. So, nombor 2 kan? Kan nombor 2 kan soalan? Betul? Betul lain? Soalan lain. Saya bagi soalan yang mana? Betul yang ni? Betul dia. Bukan yang ni? Di mana? Kita ingat lah. Which one? Soalan? Oh, because kita baru topic 3, right? Accounting equation. So I give you the tutorial. Sama kan? Ke yang awak nampak tu lain Awak nampak PowerPoint ke? Awak nampak tu PowerPoint. Sekejap. Sekejap. Saya buka slide yang sama, cuma saya share tu benda yang lain. Sekejap. Wait for a while. Okay. So, nampak ke? Okay, betul kan? Okay, kita dah buat soalan satu ke belum? Belum juga. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, number one, we have assets 56,000 and then liability 43,000. So what is the amount of capital? Someone, you want to try? Once again, 13,000. Betul? Yang lain, betul ke? Alright, very good. So next, question number 2. What is X? Asset. We have liabilities 7,600, capital net 16,900. So our asset is alright, 24,500. Okay, number 3. What is the amount of liability? RM1,080. Okay, number 4. 12,650 of liabilities. Of course lah kita tambah, right? 650 add with 6,700 we get 19350. Is that correct? Alright, so number 5. 9,000 minus with 1,700 adalah senang kacang ni lah macam cikgu Adika ni. We got 7,300. Okay, number 2. Specify the effect upon asset, liabilities and capital for the following transaction using the example. Okay. So, let's look at number 1. Okay. Brought 5,500 cash into the business. So, asset cash is increased and then also capital increase. So, number 2, who wants to try? Bought goods 1,000 by check. Okay. Silakan. Alright. Bank decrease. Very good. So in the same category, that is asset. Okay, very good. So the answer is correct. So number 3, brought a used van into the business worth 25,000. Someone, you want to try? What is the answer? Atika? Please try to answer the question. Brought a used van into the business worth 25,000. Used van. Siapa nak try? Ashila? Nelly? Siapa nak try? Asset van. Asset van increase. Okay, van increase. Alright. Another one. Huh? Cash decrease is wrong. Incorrect. The answer is increase in capital. Okay? Because we brought a used van. It means that we have used van and then we brought into the business. When we start the business, we have used van. Okay? As and capital. Right, class? So the answer is asset van is increased, but another one is capital is increased. Okay, tak ada kena mengena dengan cash. Sebab kita dah beli, kita brought a used van, maksud kita bawa masuk, bukan kita buy. Kita membawa masuk van tersebut ke dalam business. Same goes to number one. We brought 5,500 cash. Okay, in this, for the first tutorial, question number one, okay, we brought cash. But question number three, we have a used van and then we brought into the business. Okay, because kita bawa dia ke dalam business tersebut. So itu adalah capital. Right, class? Kalau dia kata buy van, barulah kita akan decreasekan asset cash, increase asset van. Okay, kalau dia kata brought a used van into the business. Okay, if you found paragraph yang menyatakan brought into the business, okay, mesti dalam kepala you mesti ingat capital. Apa-apa yang you mau bawa masuk untuk bawa masuk barang ataupun bawa masuk duit ke dalam bisnes, itu adalah capital. Right? Understand, class? Alright, number 4. Siapa nak try? Alright, silakan. Alright, so asset, account receivable, increase. Alright. Okay. Very good. The answer is correct. So stock decrease. Stock decrease. So goods 300 to Mr. Chong on credit. Okay, betul lah jawapan dia. Account receivable is increased, stock is decreased. Right. Very good. So number 5 about new stock on credit. Okay, kita beli barang secara hutang. So apa yang terlibat? Asset stock kita increase. Okay. Okay, kita beli secara hutang. Apa yang increase? Liability. Liability apa yang bertambah? Account payer. Alright, very good. Okay, number 6. Paid supplier for the stock bought earlier by check. Okay, so what is the effect? Okay, you try. Bayar supplier. Kita bayar semula, bayar supplier yang kita dah hutang tadi. So what is the effect to the asset? Is that an effect? Alright, very good. Cash decrease. Another one. Yes, very good. The answer is correct. Okay. So our liability for account payable is decreased. Okay, number 7, debtor paid amount owing by check. Okay. Other name for debtor is account receivable. So if account receivable paid us amount that she or he owing to us by check, so what is the effect? Account receivable paid amount owing by check. Okay. For example, Mr. Chong. So Mr. Chong is our account receivable, paid money to us. So what is the effect? Someone? Anybody? Want to check? Asset. Asset bank increase. Very good. The answer is correct. Another one? Another one? Yes, very good. Asset for account receivable is decrease. Okay? So that is the correct answer. Okay, kalau soalan jawapan kamu salah, so sila betulkan. Okay. The owner, number A, the owner took cash for his own use. Okay. Owner took cash for his own use. So what is the effect? Asset apa? Cash. Very good. Cash decrease. Yes, very good. Okay. Owner's equity kita berkurang. Okay. Number 9. Bought machineries by cash. Okay, this is a simple question. Bought machinery by cash, by check. So asset machinery kita increase. Okay. Another one is bank decrease. Okay. A customer bought goods by cash. So apa jawapan dia? Customer beli barang secara cash. Okay, we have increase in cash. What else? Our goods inventory stock kita decrease. Okay. 11. Purchase a set of new computer at cost RM2,000. 1,000 was paid by check and the remainder will be paid on the next month. So, anybody wants to try? Purchase a set of new computer, 2,000. 1,000 is paid by check and remainder will be paid on the next month. So what is the effect for asset, liability or equity? Nelly? Alright. So first thing first, if we purchase a new computer, what is the effect to the asset? Alright. Increase in asset of computer. And then we paid by check. What is decrease? Bank, isn't it? Bank is decreased by 1,000. Okay. Decrease in bank. Another one is our liability is increased. Okay, because we have owing the another 1,000 ringgit, right? Plus. Alright. Okay, so we have increase in asset computer and decrease in asset of bank. But then our liability is increased account payable. Okay. So that's all for question number 2. Okay, question number 3 also same. Okay. So saya rasa kalau you dah mahir, so which one in question number 3 that is very difficult for you to answer it. Okay, yang ini kita tak belajar lagi kan. Return damage goods to check. Make credit sales of 4,000. Okay, so apa jawapan dia? Kalau kita beli pula dah. Jual barang secara hutang kepada jangan rugi trading. So, efek dia kepada aset kita ada ke? Sebenarnya kita dekat sini tak ada belajar lagi sales ataupun revenue. Sebab ini adalah kita baru belajar accounting equation. Okay, kita belum lagi belajar expended accounting equation. So, dari nombor 3 ni ada yang dah buat ke? Macam kurang sesuai lah. Kita nak buat, saya tak perasan hari tu. Ada yang dah buat? Soalan ni lebih kepada extension of accounting equation. Okay, kita akan masukkan amount revenue dan juga expenses dekat dalam kita punya equation. Ada yang dah buat? Ada yang dah buat? Sama, please. Tak, okay, tak apa. Yang tu kita biarkan dulu. Boleh? After kita dah belajar extended, baru kita buat extension of accounting equation. Okay, question number 4. You are required to show the effects and actions for each transaction as shown in the following example. Okay. Transaction is started, okay, for example, the transaction is started a business putting 30,000 into a business bank account, so increase in asset, increase in owner's equity. Okay, so let's look at question. Okay, transaction June 3, June 3rd, bought office equipment on credit from Nova Trading amounted to 8,000. So, what is the effect lah? Increase of, okay, siapa nak? Fine, jawab. Yeah. Very good. Increase in asset. What asset? Yes, very good. Next. What else? Lagi? Lagi jawapan dia apa? Yes, very good. Increase in liability. Okay, liability in terms of what? In terms of account payable. Okay. Everyone, is that clear? Okay. Withdraw cash from the bank for office use worth 10,000. So, withdraw cash. Okay, it means that our asset in bank is decreased, and then asset in cash is increased. Okay, withdraw cash. So, maknanya kita keluarkan duit tu 10,000 dari bank. So, bank kita berkurang. So, kita tambah dekat asset cash kita lah. Okay. Kita tambah sebanyak 10,000. Number 8, June 8, purchase goods on credit from Nona Enterprise worth 10,000. So, same goes to June 3rd, we have increase in stock, asset, okay, and then our liability is increased in terms of account payable. Okay, June 10, so goods to Reza on credit amounted to 3,000. Okay, so stock decrease, increase in account receivable asset. Okay, understand class? Did you have any question? Alright. Okay, owner took up cash and got present for her daughter's birthday worth 200. Okay, so this is drawing. So took out cash. So it means that we have decrease in cash because the owner took cash 200,000 and also decrease of owner's equity. Okay. Because owner took that cash to not for business use but for his daughter, okay, for his personal use. So if they took the cash, it means that it will reduce the amount of owner's equity. Okay, understand class? Alright. Okay, next. Ada lagi soalan? Tak ada. Okay, so let's look at the next topic. Macam mana kita tengok? Sekejap ya. Saya nak tukar sharing. So let's look at the presentation slide. Okay, boleh nampak ke saya dah tukar slide lain? Okay. Sekejap. Ni saya tukar lain pula jap. Saya nak tukar. Alamak. Mana kat tadi? Sekejap Oh wow. Where is my slide? Where is it? My God. Chapter 3. PDF. Hilang pula. Chapter 3. Ke kita dah belum lagi kan? Kita dah belajar revenue sekejap saya cari slide ni. Okay. Alright, so let's look at we continue our chapter 3 regarding extension of uh, boleh nampak ke apa yang saya share? Okay. So, kita tengok pula kepada, kita dah settle equation regarding SOFP, Statement of Financial Position, and after that, we must know Statement of Profit or Loss. Okay, what is Statement of Profit or Loss? Okay, it shows the financial performance of a business during a period. Okay, so financial performance, okay, sejauh mana syarikat tu keuangan syarikat tu, okay, so kita akan measure mengikut kepada kita akan nilai by the profit earned or loss incurred during that period. So, sama ada business kamu tu akan dapat profit ataupun loss. Okay, so this is the element of SOPL. Okay, dekat sebelah ni ada format for statement of profit and loss. Okay, the first one we must put revenue. So what is that revenue is gross sales, and then after that we must less with sales return or allowance if in the question ada. Okay, so and then we will derive the net sales. After that, we must find out what is cost of goods sold. So what is the format for cost of goods sold? First thing, we must put purchases and then plus with delivery charges, and then we got the gross sale profit or loss, and then after that we must minus with all expenses incurred in our business. Then if we have other income, we must add on with that income. After that, we will get the final amount is net income or net profit. Okay. Ada juga case kita akan dapat net loss. Okay, kalau nak lebih clear, so jom kita tengok format. Okay, vertical format for statement of profit and loss. Okay, so first thing we must put the sales. Okay, and then we got net sales. Less with cost of sales. Okay, how to get cost of sales? Opening inventory, we must plus with purchase. Okay, and then if we have purchases return, we must less. Okay, and then add on with carriage inward. Okay, duty on purchase, insurance on purchase. So this is all item regarding the cost that incurred when we buy our stock. For example, carriage inward, okay, duty on purchase, insurance on purchase. So after that, we will get cost of goods available for sale, and then less closing inventory amount. But then after we get our cost of goods sold, we must minus with sales, net sales. Then we will get the amount of gross profit. So that we must add on with revenues. Okay. Revenues that is not from that operation. For example, discount received. Okay, we get discount received from our supplier. Okay, and then rent received. For example, when we have buildings that we rented to other outsiders, and then we get the rent. And then commission received and also interest received. This is all the example of revenues itself. Ya? Boleh? Boleh kelas? Kita tengok format dulu. Okay, after that, we must less. Okay, minus with operating expenses or expenses. Okay, perbelanjaan. Kita kena tolakkan. Okay, what is the example of perbelanjaan expenses kita? Contoh, okay, in our business, we have salaries and wages. We must pay for our worker salary, for example. Okay, that is our expenses. And then, for example, we have took an insurance every month. Okay, our business must pay that insurance. So it's also an expenses. After that, if we have costs or expenses in printing and stationery, okay, and then rent expenses, discount allowed, interest expense, repairs expense, and carriage outwards. Okay, this is all item under expenses. Okay, after that, after we get all the expenses, we must minus with gross profit plus have gross profit and then plus with the revenue. Okay, after that, the amount we must minus with the expenses and then we get the net profit. Right? Net profit, or else you will get net loss. And that is the format for statement of profit and loss. Okay, so what we must know in SOPL is first thing is revenues. Okay, what is revenue? Revenues is income generated by the business either from trading or normal operating activities. Okay, something that we earn. Okay, income is that something, money that we earn or money that we get from the business itself. For example, what is the revenue for KFC restaurant? Okay, sold of chicken. For example, like that. Okay, sales of chicken, sales of the food. That is the revenue for KFC. Okay, do you understand revenue? Sales of goods. Okay, first is such as sales of goods. Okay, if the business that we render is on services, okay, we get the fees. Fees from that tuition fees. It means that the fees is our revenue. Okay. For example, if you are a tutor or a teacher, alright, so what is the revenues for that business? Rendering of service, right? So the sales is or revenues is fees from the tuition. Okay, so next, it's also have revenue from the use of the business assets by others. For example, rental income. Okay, your business have another building, for example, another shop building. Then you rent that shop building to outsiders or to other business. So you will get rental income. Okay, And then, for example, interest income, cash deposit in a bank. So it also a revenue to your business. Okay. And then dividend income. If your business have an investment in some shares, so you will get dividend. So it's all the revenue earned by your business. Okay, so that is revenues. But for expenses, okay, what is it? Expenses is cost incurred in the normal costs of business to generate revenues. Okay. So cost, it means that money that you pay. Okay, money that you pay to have some revenues. Okay, so what is expenses? The first is cost of sale. Okay. For example, purchases of stock. Okay, purchase of stock. Okay, if your business buy buy what? Groceries. For example, you open apa nama dia? Mini market. Okay, business mini market. Okay, you purchase all of your stock. That is cost. Cost of sale. Okay, for example, insurance, transportation cost. Okay. Okay, what is transportation cost? Other name for transportation cost is carriage inward. So the cost that you incur when bring the goods to the business unit. Okay, so that is called expenses. Okay. What else? Expenses, selling and distribution. Okay, for example, salesman, salaries and commission. It's regarding, for example, if you open business, buying clothes or you sell clothes, for example, clothes or what else? Your scarf. Okay, so your business must have sales girls or salesmen. Okay, that salary is regarding expenses. Okay. Salesman, salaries and commission. What else? Okay, administrative expenses. For example, okay, electricity and water and rental expenses. What else? Finance costs, such as interest on loan. Okay. Siapa yang you kena tahu expenses ni apa perbelanjaan yang kita keluarkan lah. Okay, yang kita bayar dengan duit in order to perform our business activity. Itu yang dinamakan expenses. Okay, so kita dah belajar accounting equation. Okay, basic accounting equation kita dah done. And then we go to the extended accounting equation. So you must know when we extend the accounting equation from an element asset, owners and liability, we will have another element such as drawing, expenses, okay, owners equity we put as a capital, okay, and then additional with revenues and liability. So asset, drawing and expenses we will put in one group. Okay, and then for capital, revenue and liability we put in another group. Okay, so in simple words, you must understand, and you must remember this extended accounting equation refer to ADE is equal to CRL. Okay. Ni, extended accounting equation ni daripada A is equal to OE plus L. Dia akan jadi kepada kita expandkan dia akan jadi ADE is equal to CRL. Okay. We put another element that is drawing and expenses and also revenue. Right? Now, that is extended accounting equation. So you must remember in your mind ADE CRL. Sebab apa saya kata ini penting untuk kita hafal. So next chapter, next week kita akan belajar pula double entry. So what is double entry? So next week kita akan tahu apa dia. So sangat penting untuk you tahu persamaan ADE is equal to CRL. Okay, ADE is one group, CRL is one group. Kenapa kita group-groupkan dia? Sebab kita nak buat double entry after this. Okay. Asset dia ada sama group dengan drawing dan expenses. Okay, capital, revenue dan liability dekat group yang lagi satu sebelah. Okay. So, accounting equation yang ni kita dah belajar. Asset is equal to liability plus equity. Okay, ni semua benda yang kita dah belajar last class. Okay, effect dia pun sama, kita dah belajar. Oh, tak ada pula expended kat sini ya. Okay, so daripada extended tadi, okay, you boleh nampak apa beza dia? Dah ada perkataan drawing, expenses dan juga revenue. Okay, so expenses kamu dah tahu dia adalah perbelanjaan. Revenue pula adalah hasil. So revenue dia bersama-sama dengan group capital dan liability. Kalau asset pula dia akan bersama dengan group expenses dan juga drawing. Okay, boleh faham tak expenses dengan revenue ni? Ada soalan? Bolehkah? Okay, what is revenue? Kita tanya pula. Ke kita dah belajar semua last class kita dah belajar revenue dengan expenses. Okay, so dekat mana revenue and expenses tu ada? Dekat dalam format kita. Format statement of profit and loss. Okay. Revenue yang utama iaitu sales. Okay, sales. Itu kita akan letak dekat bahagian first sekali. Apa-apa kalau kita nak mula buat SOPL, penyata keuangan, statement of profit and loss. Okay, you must have item sales. Kita letak paling atas sekali. Okay, after that kita tolak dengan sales return. Okay, and then kita ada cost of sales. And then kita ada revenue. So this is the revenue yang you must know. Okay, this is expenses. Okay, so secara detail kita nak belajar SOPL ni nanti. After kita dah cover step by step, double entry, ledger, trial balance, barulah last kali you kena tahu kena buat apa? Statement of profit and loss. Okay. So for the basic, you just know what is sales, what is expenses, okay, element in the SOPL. Okay, revenue. Okay. So dekat mana revenue dengan expenses tu dia ada? Dekat dalam extension of extended of accounting equation. You kena faham betul-betul. Okay. Asset plus withdrawing plus with expenses. Then capital plus with revenues plus liability. Okay. Don't forget this expanded accounting equation. Okay, let's look at the tutorial yang kita tinggalkan tadi tu. Tutorial number 3. Okay. Okay, specify the effect upon asset, liabilities, and capital for the following transaction. Okay. Okay, make credit sales of 4,000 to Jangan Rugi Trading. So, what is the answer? Okay, let's look at extended accounting equation. Okay, what is the extended accounting equation? Asset plus what plus? Asset plus drawing plus with vehicle expenses. It's equal to, someone plus, give me the, what is it? Asset plus drawing plus equity is equal to capital plus what? Revenue plus with, yes, liability. So kita ada jual barang secara hutang kepada Jangan Rugi Trading. Credit sale of 4,000 to Jangan Rugi Trading. So what is the effect to asset? Is there any effect to the asset? No. Drawing? No. Expenses? No. Capital? No. Revenue? Is it credit sale? Okay, if you find out sales, it means that revenue, right? Our revenue is increased. Increase in sales revenue. Okay. Okay. On credit, Jangan Rugi Trading. So apa dia? Jangan Rugi Trading, liability ke asset? Make credit sale of 4,000 to Jangan Rugi Trading. Asset ke liability? Jangan Rugi Trading ni siapa? Okay, owner make credit sale. Okay, this is owner. Okay, dia jual tu Jangan Rugi. On credit. Okay, apa maksud on credit? Adakah Jangan Rugi akan bagi duit? Terus? Yes. Very good. Jangan rugi is owing to the owner. Okay, so bermakna jangan rugi itu siapa terhadap owner? Siapa jangan rugi? Yes? Customer. Yes, that's right, customer. So, apa nama spesifik dia? Cepat. Account? Yes, very good. So, jangan rugi is our account receivable. Dia berbelit-belit sikit kan? So, bermakna account receivable kita tu asset ke liability? Asset. So, our asset account receivable is also increased. Okay, that is the answer. Increase in sales revenue, increase in account receivable asset. Saya nak buat jawapan dia dah. Sekejap. Saya nak create satu page. Sekejap. Tak muat tepat. Sekejap ya. Hilang. Tak malah. Okay, so let's look at question 3. After that, okay, question 3, number 2. Borrow 22,000 from public bank. What's that? Okay, number 2. Borrow 22,000 from bank. Okay. So what is the effect? Saya buat kotak lagi. Asset. Apa lagi? Drawing. After drawing apa? Expenses. So that is equal to apa? Capital apa tu? Revenue, liability. Okay, kalau kita pinjam 22,000 dari bank, so apa effect dia? But someone who wants to try? Cuba Syamin. Cuba try Syamin. Apa jawapannya? Tak boleh? Kenapa tak boleh? Okay. Kita pinjam daripada bank. So, O. Okay. So, you tengok kat sini Owner. Okay. Borrow ataupun O to the bank. And then bank will give what? Bank akan bagi apa? Kita pinjam duit kan? So bank akan bagi cash. So bermakna aset apa yang bertambah? Aset cash bertambah. Apa lagi? Kalau kita pinjam dengan orang luar, outsiders, so kita pinjam. Okay, tengok. Tengok dia punya arrow. Arrow dia menghala ke bank. So mana? Bank ni adalah account siapa? Account apa? Account payable. Ataupun kita punya liability. So liability kita bertambah. Boleh tak Syamin? Faham ke tidak Syamin? Oh Syamin. Boleh ke? Syamin? Tak dengarlah suara awak. Okay. Next. Soalan nombor 3. Soalan dia. Bought goods on credit from Cheng for 7 gold. Okay. Bought goods on credit. Okay. Kita beli barang dari Cheng. Okay, Cheng. So, apa jawapan dia? Kalau kita beli secara hutang dari Cheng, apa efek dia kepada asset, drawing, expenses, capital, revenue gitu? Right. On asset apa tu? Goods. Okay, lagi satu. Yes, very good. Liability kita increase. Okay, account payable sebab kita berhutang. Okay, account payable nama dia Cheng. Okay, macam tu tau. Kita nak buat. Itulah maksud dia. Effect of the transaction. Apa effect dia of the transaction to the accounting equation. Okay. Kita panjangkan lagi benda ni. Okay. Nombor 4 pula. Okay. Okay, sold goods to Mira Trading 5,000 and she paid by check. Okay, Mira Trading. Siapa yang jual? Owner sold goods to Mira on cash. ataupun terus bayar. Okay, on check. Okay, so apa effect dia? Sold good to Mira. Okay, sold good to Mira by check. Okay, siapa nak jawab? Cuba Siti Anissa. Okay, bank increase. Siapa yang sold? Betul lah, sold bank increase, betul lah kan? Pandai. Okay, bank increase, asset. Lagi? Lagi apa? Okay, kalau dekat in terms of sold, ada perkataan sold, okay? So ni maknanya kita jual kan? So kalau jual dia berkaitan dengan selain daripada stok yang kita ada dekat sini apa dia? Elemen apa ni? Elemen apa ni kelas? So revenue kita. So bila kita jual, sold maknanya jualan kita meningkat. Okay, jualan hasil kita. So revenue lah. So increase in revenue. Okay, boleh? Increase in bank. Sebab apa increase in bank? Sebab Mira tu bayar kita terus. Kita jual barang and then Mira terus bayar duit dekat kita. Siapa nak masuk kan? Hello Fahmi, welcome. What's going on? Bangun lambat ke? Apalah Fahmi ni. Kita dah belajar extended accounting equation dah. Okay, kita tengah buat tutorial. Okay, tutorial nombor 3. Kita tengah discuss. Okay, kalau ada soalan boleh tanya. Okay, nombor 5. Indah Enterprise bought goods on 1,200 on credit basis. Okay, so Indah Enterprise ni orang outsiders. Okay. Dia beli pada kita barang 1,200 on credit basis. So bermakna apa yang effect dia? Kita anggap Indah Berhad beli barang dengan kita. Kita bisnes. So Indah Berhad beli. Secara hutang ke secara cash tu? Hutang on credit. Okay, so apa effect dia? Okay. Effect dia, okay, kita bila Indah beli pada kita, bermakna kita owner tu menjual ke membeli? Sold ke beli? Wow. Cepat. Sold, okay. Indah, kita jual barang. Sold. So kalau sold, dia akan berkaitan dengan sales kita. So kalau sales, so bermakna revenue kita increase. Okay, in terms of sales. Okay. So, lagi satu. Apa dia? On credit. Apa yang bertambah? Asset. Kenapa asset? Sebab? Okay, kita dah ada revenue sales tu. So, sales kita increase. So, lagi satu apa? On credit. Apa maksud on credit? Hutang. So, increase in cok. But on credit memang hutang. Okay, so increase in our asset or liability? Saya berkeliru dah. Asset ke liability yang bertambah? Cepat. Dikelirukan awak ni. Saya pun dah keliru. Liability? Salah. Okay, saya buat gambar. Ni owner kan? Owner. Okay, jual. Sold. Tu Indah Berhad. Sold. Lepas tu Indah ni akan hutang kan? Betul tak? Owing to owner. So kalau Indah ini owing, so Indah siapa? Yes, that's right. Very good. Siapa tu? Siapa tu saya? Oh, Nelly. Cakap lah Nelly. Okay, account receivable. So, asset account receivable kita bertambah. Boleh tak? Faham tak? Orang apa nama dia? Orang lidi saya ni. Boleh faham? Fahami? Okey tak? Alright. Sekolah. Sekolah punya apa macam mana? Inventory. Boleh juga. Inventory bertambah ke berkurang? Berkurang. Betul tu. Okay. Next. Kita padam dulu. Nanti tak muat tempat. Next. Soalan yang ke banyaknya lagi. 6. Purchase additional stock. Purchase additional stock from Health Enterprise at cost of 700 cash. Okay, so apa jawapan dia? Purchase stock on cash 700. Siapa nak try? Purchase stock on cash. Senang je kan? So apa efek dia? Fahmi? Oh, Fahmi. Apa jawapan? Ni. Purchase. Nombor 6. Additional stock from Health Enterprise at cost of 700 cash. Oh, yang atas tu Okay, asset, drawing, expenses is equal to capital revenue liability. Ini adalah extended accounting equation. Revenue, kita beli stock. Purchase stock. Purchase additional stock from has enterprise. Cash on cash. So apa effect dia? Tak boleh. Kita beli apa ni? Fahmi. Barang yang kita nak jual. So barang yang kita nak jual tu apa? Aset kita kan? Aset stok kita bertambah. Okey, lagi satu apa dia yang effect? Kita beli dengan apa ni? Cash. Aset kita yang lagi satu adalah cash. Cash kita berkurang. Okey. Boleh? Boleh Fahmi? Ya? Tanyalah. Oh, yang tadi inventory kita tu Sebab macam mana dia ada nanti awak akan ada untuk kalau untuk beli barang ni dia ada dua tau. Barang yang kita purchase dengan barang yang kita stok kita. Stok kita ni biasanya aset. Aset yang biasanya dekat aset tu hanyalah aset yang inventory akhir yang kita simpan. Okay. So stock inventory, kalau awak tengok dekat dalam format ni, kita ada amount yang kita purchase, amount barang yang kita purchase, beli barang untuk kita jual. Okay. Lagi satu kita ada aset, kalau awak tengok dekat dalam statement of financial position kita ada closing inventory. So aset yang masuk ni, okay, adalah yang current asset, closing inventory. Okay, inventory. Kita beli tu, kita belum lagi jual. Itu aset kita. So kalau kita jual barang tu, dia kira macam kita jual barang yang kita dah purchase. Okay, yang adalah dekat dalam kita punya SOFP ni. Kita punya cost of sale. Ni. Cost of sale ni kita macam kita punya perbelanjaan. Dia ada beza. Okay. Perbelanjaan, inventory yang dekat dalam cost of sale, dan lagi satu kita punya dekat asset hanyalah yang closing dia. Closing inventory. Dekat situ dia ada beza lah. Okay. Current asset, closing inventory yang ada dekat dalam SOFP bahagian asset. Boleh? Okay. Next, kita tengok pula nombor 7. Nombor 7, return damaged goods. Okay, ni tak payahlah. Nanti awak cover untuk soalan. Kita buat journal. Journal baru kita tengok pada return damaged goods. Okay. Nanti after this kita akan belajar journal. Lepas kita buat double entry, kita tahu kita ada journal, kita buat journal. Baru kita akan record untuk yang return damage code. Ni pun sama. Nombor 8, Indah Enterprise, return damage code ni pun sama. Okay. Okay, so nombor 9. Kita tengok nombor 9. The owner took goods worth 30 ringgit for his own use. Okay. So, kita tengok nombor 9. Okay, owner took goods. So, owner took goods, apa effect dia? Siapa nak jawab? Okay. Took goods on, owner took goods own use for his own use. Okay. So tadi apa? Okay, goods kita asset dah berkurang. Okay, another one is what? Capital. Okay, kalau yang sebelum ni, kita ada kat sini owner's equity. Okay. Owner's equity, right? Tapi, yang ini khusus untuk capital. Sebab apa? Drawing ni, dia dah jadi grup lain dah. Nampak tak? Ada tak bukan drawing? Dekat sebelah asset. Boleh nampak tak? Kelas. Drawing tu dah ada dekat grup lain kan? So bermakna, so increase in, not decrease is, decrease on owner's equity, but then increase in our, ni, nampak ni? Drawing ya kelas? So bermakna kita akan increase in drawing here. Okay, sebab drawing tu kita dah separatekan dekat dalam extended accounting equation kita. Okay, kalau sebelum ni, kalau kat sini honest equity, okay, maknanya dalam honest equity ni dah ada capital, kan? Lepas tu dah ada net profit. Okay, tambah dengan net profit. Okay, after that kita tolak dengan drawing. Okay, barulah kita akan dapat honest equity. Tapi sekarang ni, dekat extended accounting equation, kita hanya fokus untuk amount capital saja kat sini. Okay, so kalau ada drawing, so bermakna drawing ni types of expenses lah yang kita kena record dekat sebelah asset ni. Drawing. So bila mana owner tu ada ambil barang ataupun ada ambil cash, so kita kena record kat sini sebagai drawing kita dah bertambah. Macam tu. Okay, kelas? Boleh? Drawing kita bertambah. Boleh faham? Nombor 9 tu? Okey ke? Boleh ke? Respon sikit. Diam aja dua yang. Ya. Apa dia? Apa dia? Nelly, tak dengar? Mary tak dengar suara awak. Oh, ya ke? Mesti line saya. Alamak, ya ke? Okey, sekarang dah okey? Patutlah korang diam je. Sekarang okey ke? Suara? Dengar ke? Pecah? Okey, so maknanya kalau honest good from use on you, so maknanya goods kita reduce and then drawing kita increase. Boleh? Increase in drawing. Boleh? Ya? Dengar tak suara saya? Line tak okey tu. My God. Hello? Sudah dengar ke suara saya? Hello class? Dengar. Okay, drawing saya kurang faham tu. Okay, drawing ni, macam mana nak cakap? Dia bila kita dah masuk dekat extended, okay. So extended accounting equation, drawing ni akan berada dekat sebelah group asset tadi, asset dan expenses. Okay. So bermakna drawing ni akan kita akan record sebagai bertambah bila mana ada owner ataupun sesebuah bos untuk sebuah syarikat tu, dia ambil barang syarikat ataupun dia ambil duit syarikat untuk kegunaan peribadi dia. Okay, so sebenarnya ikutkan tak boleh kan, ikutkan konsep entity, walaupun nak ambil boleh tetapi kena record. So apa yang types of kita nak record dia adalah sebagai drawing. Okay, so drawing ni nanti kita akan record dia sebagai bertambah lah. Okay, so bermakna kita nak dapatkan honest equity yang sebenar, amount equity awak, bos punya duit, hak duit syarikat yang berapa amount yang dia punya sahaja. So you kena tolak dengan drawing nanti. Kalau drawing tu ada 700 contohlah kan. So dekat sini nanti drawing awak ni bertambah. Daripada sebelum ni tak ada drawing, jadi ada bertambah sebanyak 700. So that's why lah bila dekat extended accounting equation kita ada buat kolom untuk drawing. So untuk kita tahu ada tak owner buat drawing, berapa banyak owner ada buat drawing ataupun ada ambilan. Okay. So ambilan ni nanti yang mengurangkan honest equity. Sebab itulah, sebab apa dia mengurangkan, so drawing ni akan kita tolakkan. Amount yang kita dah buat drawing tadi kan kita tolak daripada kita nak dapatkan amount capital akhir ataupun honest equity. Okay, itu maksud drawing. So kalau kita ada, contoh awak bos kan, so awak nak ambil barang, awak nak ambil duit syarikat untuk kegunaan sendiri. So awak kena record dekat bahagian drawing ni. Kat dalam accounting memang kena ada elemen drawing, di mana kalau awak ada ambil duit syarikat, kena record dekat kolom drawing. Okay, boleh faham? Melly? Boleh? Alright. So, ada soalan lagi tak? So, next class nanti kita baru sambung untuk chapter double entry. So, saya harap awak boleh faham lah effect. Okay. Yang nombor 4 tadi kita dah discuss kan? Dah kan? Sikit soalan dia. Okay, so saya untuk chapter accounting equation dah sampai sini saja. Ada lagi tak? So next week baru kita sambung chapter double entry. So nak sambung sekarang double entry. Kita ada masa lagi ni. Dah rasa tepu ke boleh sambung lagi untuk next chapter? Ke nak buat exercise? Saya akan cari exercise untuk bagi dekat awak. Which one that you prefer? Kena ada exercise terus. Okay. Tapi kesian dekat siapa tu nama dia? Si Fahmi tu. Baru je masuk. Berapa minit. Dah nak habis. Fahmi okey ke? Okey apa? Okey sambung ke? Oh okey buat exercise. Tengok apa? Okey. Ada saya record. So awak kena tengok balik semula ni. Apa orang kata extended tu. Extended accounting equation tu awak tengok balik Kita ada masukkan dekat revenue, expenses dengan drawing. Okay, macam mana dia boleh jadi macam tu. Okay, so tengok accounting equation saya tunjuk dia punya macam mana dia berkembang. Okay, macam mana daripada asset is equal to owner's equity plus dengan liability, macam mana dia boleh jadi berkembang. Okay, mana benda tu? Okay, boleh nampak tak yang saya share ni? Boleh nampak? Jelas tak? Ni, nampak tak? Okay, so dia kata asset is equal to owner's equity. Okay, owner's equity plus profit plus liability minus drawing, betul tak? Sebab apa? Kita nak cari owner's equity, kita tambahkan dengan profit. Ingat tak awal-awal kelas saya ada ajar? Kita tolak dengan drawing. Okay. Lepas tu yang liabilities ni memang ada kat belakang sekali kan. So lepas tu dia akan jadi asset is equal to owner's equity plus revenue. Okay, macam mana kita nak cari profit pula? Dia berkembang. Nak cari profit, okay, revenue tolak expenses, okay. Baru dapat profit. So kita expand benda tu. Jadilah owner's equity plus revenue minus expenses, okay, minus ingat drawing tadi kita minus kan? Minus drawing plus liability. Okay, lepas tu kan ada persamaan, dia ada tambah dan tolak. So kita kena groupkan dia. Okay, apa yang dekat sebelah kanan ni ada tolak ni kan? Tolak expenses dan tolak drawing. So kita nak groupkan dia. Owner's equity dengan revenue sebab dia tambah. Tambah lagi satu apa? Liability. Okay. And then kita transferkan expenses kita dan transferkan drawing kita ni dekat sebelah kiri aset. So dia akan jadi tambah. Okay. Asset plus expenses plus drawing is equal to owner's equity plus revenue plus liability. Okay, itulah dia extended accounting equation. Okay, so tengok ya. Saya terangkan lagi sekali. So asset pada permulaannya persamaan perakanan asset is equal to equity plus dengan liability. Okay, ini yang utama. Okay, accounting equation kita. Lepas tu kita extendkan dia. Dia jadi asset is equal to equity plus profit plus liability. Mula-mula. And then, kita extend lagi. Asset is equal to equity. Okay. Tambah dengan profit ni macam mana nak cari? Revenue. Profit ni macam mana nak cari? Revenue kita tolak expenses. Okay. Okay. Lepas tu equity ni kita ada tolak dengan liability ni. Daripada equity ni kita ada tolak dengan drawing campur dengan liability. Okay. Mana datang perkataan drawing ni adalah daripada equity. Kita nak dapat equity kena capital campur dengan profit. Daripada sini lah. Tolak liability. Tolak drawing. Okay, nampak? Tolak. Okay. So, profit kita expandkan dia jadi revenue tolak expenses. Okay. Equity pula adanya tolak drawing ni kita jangan tinggal. Okay, jangan tinggal dia. So, tolak drawing. Lepas tu, tambah dengan liability. Okay. So, dekat sini ada tambah, ada tolak, ada tambah. So, bercampur bau. So, kita groupkan dia. Okay. Yang tolak ni, yang ni, dua ni, kita transfer ke sebelah. So, dalam matematik pun, bila kita transfer ke sebelah kiri, so, dia akan jadi tambah. Okay, daripada tolak ni jadi tambah. So, that's why lah kita tambah dengan drawing. Tambah dengan expenses. Okay, yang tinggal dekat sebelah kanan ni ada apa? Equity ataupun capital. Sebab kita dah expand dia. Equity ni kita dah jadi expandkan capital, profit dengan drawing. Kita dah pecah-pecahkan. So, campur dengan apa yang tinggal? Revenue. Okay, campur apa lagi yang dah? Liability. Okay. So, inilah yang kita panggil extended. Kita besarkan lagi ataupun kita kembangkan lagi. Kembangkan lagi equation kita menjadi asset drawing plus expenses is equal to capital plus revenue plus liability. Okay, boleh? Boleh ke yang lain? Give me response. Ada soalan? Kelas, boleh ke? Fahmi boleh ke? Syamin boleh? Siti Anissa boleh? Okay. So basic ni, benda basic ni kena faham betul-betul. Okay. Kena faham betul-betul supaya bila kita nak buat step yang lain, step yang lebih mencabar, so you boleh buat. Okay, yang asas ni fahamkan dulu betul-betul. Apa lagi yang ada dekat dalam ni? Jom kita tengok sekejap. Tengok dekat slide ni. Statement of profit and loss. Okay, profit and loss extended accounting equation. Okay. Cuba tengok dekat sini. Okay. So, boleh nampak saya harap jelas So, tengok yang ni. Asset, tengok ni dah extend Asset, expenses, liability, equity dengan revenue. So, kalau Amin invest 100,000 into business bank. So, kita akan increase in bank 100,000. So, bila invest bermakna equity ataupun capital kita ni akan bertambah. Okay, dekat bawah amount equity, capital kita bertambah 100,000. Okay, kalau issue 10,000 check for employee salary pula. Okay, saya belum bagi exercise kalau ada expenses macam mana. So, nanti kejap. Kejap lagi saya bagi latihan yang berkaitan dengan expenses kalau dia ada. Okay. Issue 10,000 check for employee salary. Maksudnya kita nak bayar salary, okay, untuk gaji pekerja kita. So, bank kita decrease, okay. Tolak tu maksudnya berkurang 10,000 and then expenses kita tambah salary sebanyak 10,000, okay. And then issue 15,000 to suppliers for purchase goods. So, kita beli 15,000, so asset bank kita berkurang. And then expenses kita bertambah. Okay. So, issue 15,000 to suppliers for purchase goods. Okay, tadi saya ada kata stok kat sini kan. Stok tu sebenarnya kita adalah purchase dekat expenses. Okay. So, same goes to sales 25,000. Sell 25,000 goods to customer on credit. So, increase our asset receivable. Okay, and then increase our sale. Right? Sell 25,000 ringgit goods to customer on credit. Okay, kita increase in our receivable. Okay, sebab kita jual secara hutang. So, customer itu adalah account receivable kepada kita. Okay. So, lagi satu apa yang bertambah? Sales kita. 25,000. Okay, boleh kelas? Ni ada. Sekejap. Ada soalan tak? Sekejap saya tengok benda ni apa bentuk. Ni semua benda yang saya discuss lah. So, I will give you this notes. Okay, supaya awak boleh tengok balik semula apa yang kita dah discuss and then fahamkan betul-betul. Okay. And then dekat dalam slide ni, chapter 3 ni dia ada example ni kan. Razi invest 50,000 cash into the business. Okay. Bought goods on credit. Workshop ini. Okay, nantilah saya bagi soalan lain. Okay, nota ni awak boleh tengok, awak dan boleh baca. Okay, nota ni saya ambil dekat U-Future. Dekat lecturer UITM. So, awak boleh tengok lah. Okay, sama je dengan apa yang kita discusskan. So, untuk enhance awak punya knowledge and then understanding. So, awak boleh tengok balik chapter ni lah. Notes yang saya nak bagi ni. Slide. Okay, boleh lah? Ada soalan sebelum kita habis? Hari ni kita habis awal. So, saya akan bagi exercise. Nanti jangan lupa awak kena klik dekat bahagian U-Future tu untuk saya punya attendance. Tahu kan macam mana nak buat? Hatika? Tahu ke? Ready? Alright, okay. Dia selepas 15 minit kan? Habis kelas baru boleh. Jangan terlupa jangan ada yang terlupa untuk buat. Okay, so ada soalan belum sebelum kita habis? Sebelum saya bagi kita buat latihan. So masa yang ada ni, I hope you will do an exercise that I give to you. Ada soalan? Ada soalan ke tidak? Tak ada Syamin, Siti Anissa, ada soalan? Siti Anissa? Okay. Boleh faham semua Siti Anissa? Okay. So, kalau tak ada, Fahmi okey ke? Satu-satunya kumbang. Boleh Lain kali jangan lambat lagi tau untuk kelas. Okay. So, kalau tak ada apa-apa, saya sampai sini dulu. So, nanti kalau ada apa-apa nak tanya ke, nak kontak, boleh message WhatsApp saya secara personal pun boleh ataupun dalam grup. Okay, so that's all class. Thank you so much. Okay, jangan lupa buat exercise. Saya tak pantau exercise awak tu. Make sure awak buat lah. Okay, bye. Welcome. Welcome.